Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So on the gold market in the weekend we talked about the definite setup, precise setup that we're waiting for. So potentially it could be the two-leg retracement down. Just it comes from the logic of the weekly pattern and weekly chart, because it was really significant. Patterns have been completed on the high time frames. We have the reversal pattern, and it suggests some more significant retracement in the shorter term on the gold. This is what we talked about, the more extended potential in the gold market. And currently, guys, market stands at very significant and important moment, because it will be the clarity for the longer term perspective on the gold. So this is the point where we should get the answer whether the second leg retracement will happen or we will get the upward continuation trend. So currently everything goes very well, so market is turning down gradually, but currently market has not quite reached the shorter term target of the smaller pattern. So we have on the daily Gardner's triple 2 sell, we have on the intraday chart 3 drive sell. So both patterns have approximately the same target, around 30% support of this upward action. And despite that market currently is turning down, it's not the fact yet that we will get the second leg. But as we usually do, we are taking the position at the strong levels, and when the market will hit minimal target, we will not depend too much on the result. So whether we will get downward continuation or not, because we will be in a positive area, we could move stops to the break even, just see what will happen. So that's our trading plan. Currently we are dealing with the first pullback down from this point. So as we said in our weekly report, we said the final leg should be done before reversal will happen, just because market hasn't quite completed the major targets. And indeed that has happened yesterday. So you can see this climb up. Market has completed XOP, this initial A, B, C pattern pattern. Larger AB equals CD target, this also has been completed, and butterfly pattern also has been hit. So that's the point where we have taken the short position. Now, if you have missed and just this opportunity to go short, don't upset too much. You could keep an eye on the small stress and drop and trying to get position on the retrace. Maybe market will form Gardner's triple to sell or something of that sort. Because on the hourly chart, our 3 drive pattern has been completed as well. So if you remember, we have 2 butterflies. That's the first butterfly, and here was also minor butterfly has been formed, and the 2 extensions was standing in the same area. And we said you could treat the price action on the hourly chart as a 3 drive sell pattern. Now you consider it perfectly has been completed and starting to move down. So if you have taken the short position, you could move stops to the break even right now, because market currently do not have any technical reasons to proceed high and taking out of the stop, because we do not have any extensions, any uncompleted target above it. So any reversal here and move above the stop will be just indication that something is changing, and it could be the changing of the trend. It will not be retracement, because normally market has to show downward continuation. Minimum target of all the stuff that we have stands approximately in area around 1304, 1307. So this is actually minimum target of the Gardner's triple to sell on daily, 30% support. That is the minimum target of the 3 drives, so bottom between the second and third drive. These classical targets. This stands relatively close. As soon as market will hit this area, so it'll be our task to take the half of the profit and move the stops on break even in the other half. Because currently it will be the very important moment. So if market will break this area down and start to move lower, it means that we are going to larger ABCD pattern here. If not, if market will stop, turns back again and return back to the tops, it will mean that the longer term trend is continuing. So, but this is still perspective of the nearest future. Currently we're dealing with the downward action, taking the short position and see how situation will develop here.